Hello friends, welcome back to our channel CarTopNews, your one-stop destination for automotive and exclusive updates. The Porsche 911 is often regarded as the ultimate dream sports car by many enthusiasts. It effortlessly brings joy, whether racing around a track, navigating city streets, or enjoying a weekend getaway. With its powerful engines, exceptional ride and handling, and surprising practicality, the 911 remains highly desirable. Mechanically, the new Porsche 911 is powered by a 3-liter twin-turbocharged petrol engine that generates an additional 30 bhp over its predecessor, for a total of 444 bhp and 530 Nm of torque. The upgraded engine comes mated to a new 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The new Carrera S is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.7 seconds and is just about 0.1 seconds slower than the Carrera 4S, which does 3-digit figures in 3.6 seconds. Add the optional Sport Chrono Package and the vehicle will touch the 100 km/h mark faster by 0.2 seconds. The Carrera S is capable of reaching a top speed of 308 km/h, while the Carrera 4S has a top speed of 306 km/h. In terms of design, the new 911 Carrera has retained its iconic styling with mild tweaks for freshness. The vehicle now gets a wide body look, which was earlier limited to the older generation all-wheel drive and turbo model cars. The rear section now flaunts a distinctive full-length light strip. Moreover, this time the 911 is offered with a 20/21-inch wheel setup on the front and the rear. As for the interior, the new Carrera S offers a fine balance of modern technology and iconic styling. The center console gets a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a drive mode selector on the steering wheel. The vehicle gets an analog central tachometer to retain its heritage touch. As for safety, it has standard autonomous emergency braking, wet driving mode, night vision, and adaptive cruise control. Porsche 911 price ranges between 1.86 crore and 4.26 crore, depending on the variant selected. The 8th generation Porsche 911 has arrived in India in 2 variants, the 911 Carrera S and the 911 Carrera S Cabriolet. The new 911, internally codenamed as 992, gets the distinctive 911 family face. The vehicle is based on the new modular MMB platform that underpins the next generation of 718 Cayman and 718 Boxster models. Thank you for watching CarTopNews. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.